I use the Arduino IDE when I program my ESP32s, and I ran into a problem. I found the framework an issue, and I could not compile. Talking with other programmers, I found they also had the same issue. I also found it difficult to communicate where the framework was located. They just didn't understand. This video is on the Arduino IDE and a certain problem that's come up, and I'm trying to present a solution for it. So I'm going to start and try to describe what I'm doing. Let's see here. I push this button. I've opened up Arduino IDE. The first thing I want to do is not update and not automatically update the libraries. Then I'm going to go over to the framework, and the framework is this one right here. This is the one that is above the libraries. So you click on framework, and down here, the bottom one on my list is ESP32. It wants me to install 3.0.5, but I found that I can't compile if I do that. So I'm using 2.0.17, and all my projects seem to compile. ESP now works, and that's what I'm going to stick with. If you made it to this part of the video, we're on the right subject matter, so I'll just elaborate a bit. I use ESP32s, and about this summer, there was an automatic update to 3.05. All of my library stopped working. It took me 3 weeks to figure out, and some guy on Reddit clued me in. And I've clued in other people, but it's been very difficult to communicate where this is located. If you don't know much about frameworks, you just don't know. However, all the version 3 frameworks, the code from version 2.017 doesn't work. So anything that you had working before the summer and then it automatically upgraded to version 3, you may be in a situation where you just can't compile. None of your projects will work. I have installed ESP32s that are putting out data. I can't make any new modules to talk to them. And it's a real problem, and it really had me going for a while. I finally figured it out, and I thought I'd help some other people.